space here. Roughly 17 inches.
I'm celebrating Woody, he's a legend in this
We're going to cut a 12-inch out of it. Make it a, you open the door, and you got pull-out pantry drawers.
Neon lights are dim and jukebox hums a sorrow tune, riding down memory lane beneath.
Mainly because I don't want to put a bedroom closet right there
We toast the days gone by
on the other side of the wall. Because it's already got a walk-in closet. It doesn't need that. It used to be the old water closet. So. Oh yeah.
Fireside cigars and beers that feel just right. Oh, for dreams and endless skies, we won't let go, I swear. In this small town celebration, we're still halfway there. Worn out leather seats, they tell tales of our youth, rust and mud reflections of an old truck's truth. Rolling fields of barley with echoes of our joy. And every mile we traveled, we were just a boy. Barnyard dances, simple life, we have the best of times. Whiskey warms our spirits between the pines. Laughter in the air, we live without a care. With Woody everything felt right, no worries and no fears. Woody, here's to you in the honky-tonk tonight. Fireside cigars and beers that feel just right. Oh, for dreams won't let go, I swear. In this small town celebration, we're still halfway there. Woody, here's to you in the honky-tonk tonight. With fireside cigars and beers that feel just right. Oh, for dreams and endless skies, we won't let go, I swear. In this small town celebration, we're still halfway there.
Grind from roof to floor, in blood they bind. Counter a door, call Woody strong. Brutal craft, hammer song! Daytime sweat, bills held at bay. Workbench anthem, so loud they slay. Sawdust storm, metal sparks fly. Woody reigns under rage-filled sky. Daytime sweat, bills held at bay. Workbench anthem, so loud they slay. Sawdust storm, metal sparks fly. Woody reigns under rage-filled sky. She dies at night, whiskey burn, tools of fury. Tables turn, sculpting hell with iron light. Woody's domain, dark as night.
It's Johnny!
Relentless gaze through the forge, veils of haze, rusted nails, twisted dreams, violent craft, loudest screams. Pain's release, fire and steel. Hammers crack, searing feel. Crack, searing feel. Darkest night. The darkest house. Darkest night. Darkest night.
that concludes the first coat on the outside trim. I'm going to leave the cabinet that color on the inside. But I'm going to let that dry for 24 hours, and then I'm going to take some, probably about 4,000 grit sandpaper to it, because I have it, and I'll never use it for much of anything else. And I'll do a light sand on it, wipe it off with a damp rag, and then I'll put another coat on it, tape it up, and put another coat. And I'll keep doing that until I like what I got it covered with the primer, and then we'll go back with some high gloss paint. So yeah, that's where we're at right now on the custom pantry that I built. It's a 2-door pantry. Anyway, thanks for watching. Bye now, bye.